Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name remains Macaulay Juma, a student at Gulu University. Today we are going to learn about how to open Microsoft Word and how to save it. So please, I kindly need your attention here so that we can learn. In this world, if you don't learn about computer, my dear, you will be backward. So let's get started. And for you, if you want to search for a program in a computer, it might be there on the screen, like here. Maybe there's Microsoft, okay, there's PowerPoint, and you see it. But if you want to search it, you just come to the left corner of the computer and click on to search on it. Let's write there Word. It shows there Word 16, so you open it. After when it opens, and you look for blank, this is the blank, you tap on it. So this is how you can open it. In it you can type whatever, like maybe you can type letters and other things. So by definition, let me take you through also it is because a Microsoft Word is a word processing software developed by Microsoft, used to create, edit and format and print text documents such as letters and report card and resumes. So another thing that you want to prepare, maybe like you want to send a letter to your girlfriends and so many things. So you should get interested in this. This is how you can do it, because nowadays people used to print, not that you just use your normal handwriting, and maybe you might be having ugly handwriting, so it's better you type it. So this is the way to get through. So this is how you can type. Like I'm going to type anything like my name, just maybe Monday, and so on. You work on this editing, maybe this, because I know if I'm to type, it take also has long. You can type any other thing you want so that you can make design with it after typing. So you get to the, or like maybe if you want to create a table, this is how you can insert it. Maybe you want to create a timetable, look for the columns you wanted and how many, and what, that's how it is. And then also there's also what we call at the insert. There's also what we call, you can insert a picture, you can insert online pictures, you can insert a save. In case if I want this save, I'll just come and put here, and then I open it like this. That's how we create it. So it depends on the type of the page you want, and still come back to home and look for charts. This is how we can also create charts. If you want to create like a bar graphs and here and so on, it is there. You can come to page layout. You want how your page look like. This is how it will be like. You want to organize the text and hit line page and hypertext with margin, origin, size, and so on. This is what is in the layout. Like you want it to be portrait or landscape, the margin and so on, it's here. And then, like we want how big this will be, what, and so on. There are so many things that you can do. When you can do mailings, like in case you have a letter to be sent to so many people, you can do mailing on it and review. These ones are just to show you how the format should look like. Directly, let me take you through now how to save it. In case I want to save this one here, I'll go direct to my, like I'm okay. In case this is not okay, like I was just doing using rough copy, because in case I've typed it or how to save it, I'll go direct like to file. You come to file. After file, you come save as. Save as. This is what we call save as, and then you come to PC. From PC you come to desktop. You type here. It shows you where the folder you want to add. In case if I was to have a folder in that computer, I could get the name at the desktop. Maybe. So maybe like this guy Ale, you want to save it, and you click on it, and then you come and press or open the file, and then whether you want the file name to be what, I just want to call it Monday, so you can just save it directly and you find that whatever is saved. And for instance, in case you're using these other computers that have a CPU which is big and so on, in case you find that due to power shortages, at times you find that the power may run low. So this is how you can also come and save it. Like after you saved it as your name and like that, you You can keep on you're working, you keep on saving like that, so that you don't lose your content. And that's well, even if after saving it you can mean to come and cancel the whole document, it will still be there saved. So I'm quite sure this is how I can show you briefly what a word and how to save it is. And so get interested next time. Follow me for more videos like this, so that you learn how to be also in the modern world. So thank you so much. Keep it luck.